So there are a few things that easily gets me annoyed in this world, and this is simply one of them. And whenever I pick up my phone and try to call someone, and on the other end, that's the receiving end, the person now maybe a few seconds after our discussion, he or she now pop the question and asks who is on the line. I don't have this number, I don't know who I'm speaking with. And he or she started giving excuses like I lost my phone, my SIM got damaged, and that's as a result of that I lost so many contacts. Well, I come to ask myself, are people still losing contacts even at this time, where there are various cloud or backup storage which you can easily use to back up your phone contacts so that they will be intact even if you switch from one phone to another? Well, if you find yourself in this position, maybe you're a victim of you always lose your phone, or your SIM always got stolen or damaged or whatsoever, then as a result of that, because you save your contacts on your SIM on your phone, then you now lose so many of your contacts, then this video is just for you. But if you are not on this boat, you should easily give space, shift, so that people that are in this position will listen to this video and get to know what I'm talking about. So in this video, I'm teaching you how to keep your phone contact intact even for years. They wouldn't get missing, they wouldn't get stolen. You wouldn't misplace them no matter what you do. So before I proceed, Chibuzo Agowa is my name. I'm looking for tech is the name of this channel. So if you're visiting this channel for the first time, it's actually a technology related channel whereby I dish out technology trends, and also is a tutorial based channel whereby I teach you how to carry out one function or the other. So if you are part of this channel, if this is a channel you like to be part of, you can simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notifications so that again it's fine whenever I put up similar tutorial videos just like this. So once you've done that, you're now part of the family. So now we'll be moving to my phone view where I'll be showing you the steps on how to carry this out. And before I proceed, actually this tutorial is just basically for those that are using Android phones. So the tutorial is Android based. So if you're using an Android phone, then this video is just for you. So there are other backup storage which you can easily use once you're using an iPhone, but this tutorial is basically for those who are using an Android phone. So now let's move into my phone view and let me show you what you do so that you keep your phone contacts intact and you never ever lose them again. So we are now on my phone view, of which I'll be showing you how to automatically save your new contacts on the Google Cloud platform. The important reason why you should make this change is because once ever you are adding a new contact, automatically it will be saved on the platform. So many people prefer choosing it while adding it and adding a number individually, but there are some cases whereby you might forget and you might end up adding that SIM contact either on your device or any of your SIM. So now let's get started. The first thing you have to search for is your contact app. So now let's scroll through, and this is my contact app. I've selected it. So this is a view actually see in most Android devices, and remember this is my Xiaomi Redmi device, which I've talked about mostly in this video. So now once you're here, the next thing you have to look for is the settings option, and if you look down the screen and the bottom right, you see where it says fix and manage. So probably that's where my settings will actually be. So tap on it, and just like I said, as you can see, you see so many options and the settings is right there. So the next thing, when I'll tap on settings, it will now bring you to this view. So once ever you're in this view, like I said, probably this is what most Android phones looks like. So the first thing or the important thing you have to search for is the edit contact section. So now let's tap on it, and once I tap on it, you see various platform whereby my new contacts can easily be added. As you can see, the first two is my email, which is on this device, and the third one is the Xiaomi cloud platform, because like I told you, this is a Xiaomi phone. So like if you see on the Xiaomi platform and other options, which is my SIM cards, you see a notification or an indication below which says that contacts may not sync or be available on any other device. For example, if I choose the Xiaomi option as my default contacts save platform, and if I should like say log in to any other phone, if it's not Xiaomi phone, be it an Infinix, Techno, or whatsoever Android, Samsung devices, this contact will not appear if I choose this option. So probably that's why it's important for you to choose your Google account platform, because you must importantly you must log into your email in any Android devices you are using. If I choose any of the SIM cards, this contact will be saved on the SIM card. So default is my email, just like I've chosen, which means automatically whenever I'm adding new numbers, it will be added to that email account. And if I should log into that email in any Android devices, automatically that contact will be displayed just like this. So it's a cloud platform and it's automatic. So I've seen the reason why you should choose the Google Cloud Platform whenever you are adding a new contact. It makes it easy for you to always move your contacts around and they will not be lost or misplaced, just like in the cases whereby your phone got damaged or maybe your SIM device got, or your SIM card actually got corrupted. So after watching this tutorial video, you are now being barred or sanctioned from giving excuses to people that you've lost their contacts as a result of your phone being stolen or your SIM card being damaged or misplaced. So you shouldn't give that excuse again. Go ahead and do what I just taught you in that video and you should be untagged. So in case you've still not hitting the subscribe button, kindly do that so that you'll be notified whenever I put up my next video. And if you find this video informative enough, simply you can easily give it a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm will actually push it for people who want to learn how to carry out these steps to do it on their own. So go ahead, save your contacts on the Google Cloud Storage or your Google accounts, then you'll be safe. So stop saving your SIM, your phone contacts on your SIM or on your phone, then you'll be on the right track. So once you've done that, we'll see in my next video. Like I said from the start, Chibuzo remains my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So peace and bye-bye for now.